Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. I got Nat. Nat is nervous a little bit. She's on the computers a lot. She came in here with one of our friends and has upper back, lower back, everything.
Yes.
So this is the first time she's getting adjusted. So we're gonna be nice and she has a headache right now. She's Excedrin didn't work.
No, it didn't work.
Yeah, a lot of patients come in here. They've been trying headaches all the time, and Advil works for a little bit, or Tylenol, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Today we're gonna do it naturally. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna break up the adhesions, and we're gonna see what we can do. Never been adjusted. That's kind of cool. I always love patients like that. And if you're watching home, come on, don't stop watching and just come in and get it done and see how it feels. Go to sleep happy tonight, like Natalie will be. All right, let's go face that. Don't worry, Nat. I got you.
Where did I put my arms?
Wherever you want it.
Okay.
It's a free country. All right, miss. We're gonna do upper back. So we're gonna move some bones here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, girlfriend. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Blow it out. Good. Just gonna. Oh my God. There it is. Yeah. All right. This side up, Nat. You're gonna lay on your side, facing me this way. Have you seen my videos at all?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So you kind
I
of.
saw Chris.
Oh, cool.
He was like nervous.
I know. All right, like this. Love yourself. We're gonna bring your hip forward.
Love us.
You ready?
No.
Right. No? Okay, good. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Oh, girl. My God. Did you hear that on camera? Face this way for me. That was tight, girl. That's like never been adjusted before. Oh, yeah, it hasn't.
I know.
Beautiful. This.
Love myself.
Deep breath. That's right. All the way out. Oh, girl.
Oh.
There it is. I knew it was coming. Let's go face up. This is going to be your favorite now. This is the thing that's going to get rid of your headaches.
Okay.
And you guys heard before what happens after I adjust someone with a headache.
What?
Their ears turn bright red. Here we
What?
go.
Oh, Jesus.
No, he can't help you. Almost.
Jesus.
Oh, girl. You okay? Look at her ears.
Yeah.
Your blood just ran out. I'm going to work on the muscles a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, girl, that was tight.
I know.
That's where you get headaches.
Yeah.
Oh, it just broke up. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
See, it wasn't so scary.
No.
If you're watching, it's not scary. It just looks scary on TV.
Yeah.
And then people still
It's
say
the
they watch
noise.
it. Yeah. It's the noise. All right, I'm gonna do one more thing. You're gonna give yourself a hug again, like you love yourself. This way, like that. See if there's anything else. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Oh. You did
Yay.
awesome. All right, honestly, was it scary?
I'm broken. Like, yeah.
How did it
I
feel?
don't know. It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel all loose now.
Yeah, so she's gonna sleep like a baby tonight, and you're missing out because you're at home watching instead of getting this done. We'll see you next time. Take care.